Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled amidst the picturesque hills of Norbrook Heights, this modern luxury townhouse unit offers the epitome of opulent living within a private complex. The Azure Ridge complex boasts unmatched privacy and seclusion, allowing residents to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Each unit is 4,000 square feet and features four spacious bedrooms and a helper's quarters, bringing the total to an impressive 5 bedrooms. All bedrooms are ensuite, adorned with meticulously crafted tilework and intricate detailing, adding a touch of sophistication to the space. Each unit offers a private balcony, a two-car carport, and designated visitors parking. There is also a complex pool and a jacuzzi with lush green spaces surrounding each unit. Azure Ridge is situated on just over an acre of land and located in close proximity to prominent supermarkets, shopping centers, schools, and entertainment zones. The project is currently at 90% completion and is projected to be finished by October 2023. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 950,000 or Jamaican $146.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.